In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to PenFed account 2025, step by step. Let's get started right on the PenFed website or app by going to the Add Money section. This is where PenFed groups all the ways you can put funds into your account, so it's the best starting point if you're unsure which method fits your situation. Once you're there, open the area labeled Methods to add money. You'll see the main options laid out clearly so you can pick the one that matches what you have on hand: another bank account, a check, or cash. Choose transfer from another bank or external account if you move money digitally. Next, log into your PenFed online banking or the PenFed mobile app with your usual credentials. After you're signed in, head to the Summary tab. This central dashboard helps you confirm you're working with the right account and makes it easy to launch the transfer you want. If you have another bank account, the easiest way is to transfer online into your PenFed account. This typically uses an ACH transfer. It's convenient, secure, and usually takes 1 to 3 business days depending on your other bank and the time you submit. Watch for daily or monthly limits and be mindful of cutoff times. Late day transfers may start processing the next business day. If you have a check, use mobile check deposit via the PenFed app. Open the deposit feature, follow the on-screen prompts to capture clear front and back images, and enter the amount exactly as written. Good lighting and a dark background help your camera read the check. Keep the physical check in a safe place until the amount shows as available, then dispose of it securely once everything clears. If you have cash, use the newer option of mobile cash deposit at participating retail stores through the PenFed and Incom network. Inside the app, you'll see instructions to initiate a cash deposit and find nearby locations. You'll bring your cash to a participating store and complete the deposit at the register. Fees and limits can apply, and availability may vary by location, so review the details shown in the app before you go. Mailing in checks is an alternative, but slower. If you choose to mail, allow extra time for delivery and processing, and follow the current mailing guidance provided by PenFed to avoid delays. Finally, always review availability and hold rules. Funds availability depends on deposit type, amount, and account history. PenFed's policy will show when your money becomes available for spending and whether any portion is on hold. That's it. Now you know exactly where to go and which option to use to add money to your PenFed account.